Hey Cody, it's Adam Funderburg from Brandon's Tees showing you a real quick video on how to use the new Design Studio. So basically you come up here from the home page, click on Design Studio, and the window will open up with the embedded Design Studio in it. I usually go with a design that starts from a template, and then I think what might be best for you guys is for what you're talking like is to come up here to the mascots. You can roll through all of these different mascots borders, and so find one that has the right shape that you feel would work well with what you're after. So like this silverbacks one would probably be a good one. Okay, so the thing that I think is usually the best way to get started is to zoom in and then grab this piece of art that you don't want and delete it. Then come over to artwork, clip art. Then you can come up here and type in Evergreen. Okay, so there's your logo. You're able to import this. Now use the little lines. You can see the two pink lines show up. That tells you that you're centered. It'll tell you when you're centered up with other things. There's lines all over the place. But they're very helpful once you kind of get used to them popping up. Anyway, so one of the things that you guys can do is, because these are not evergreen colors, you can come through and say, I want my silverback wrestling here to turn into an evergreen color. I can just click on that. This here has all of the design colors in it, and I just deleted a color by doing that. So then I can grab this one here and turn this into maybe something that's a little more like a gold for evergreen, and that 2015 right there is in this blue, and now I'm looking at a two-color design. So from here I can go to layers, I can come down here, I want this to say 2016, click, and then come over here, and I want this to say, whoops, let's capitalize this. Okay, so Plainsman. And so I can either do this as layers like this, or, if it's standing out in the open, you can just click on it. Sometimes clicking stuff like this, you'll wind up missing and grabbing stuff like that. So for me, I just find it easier to use that. Okay, there we go. So then you can drag this around and get it centered up. You can scale this, make it bigger. Okay, so right now I'm at a two-color design. If I decide that, you know what, I really don't like this particular color, I can go over here and grab, I think maybe like a sports gray might look nice. And so now it's on a sports gray. Now it looks like it's kind of low, so I can grab the whole design, move it up a little bit, center the whole thing, and you know what? If you get it close, you'll be fine. We will be centering it on press. Okay, so then you can adjust your scaling, and you're pretty well done. So from here, you can save it off, you can share it, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. We can, after you share it and talk to us, we can set up a store so that you and your friends can come through and make purchases. You can save it, and in the very near future, we'll make it so that if you want to have this put on a mug, we can take care of that. temporary tattoos, hats, flip-flops, all kinds of different products. So anyway, that is kind of an introduction to how this thing works, and a couple of the tools that will make it a little easier. And by the way, one of the things that's sort of stashed in here is the way that the fonts work. It may look like there's just a couple right here, but the thing is that there are actually like 700 different designs, different fonts in here. So depending on the look and feel that you want, you can click on this stuff and it will give you piles of options. So anyway, Adam Funderburg here from Brainless Tees, showing off the new features and functions available at the website. I will catch up with you later. Bye-bye.